Greetings everyone, today we will learn 4th chapter Kinematics. First, this would be 5th lecture of this series. Fourth chapter Kinematics, first lecture 5th. So in this lecture, students, we will discuss numericals, and this would be the third part of the numericals. Question: the deceleration means retardation, students. The deceleration experienced by a moving motorboat. After its engine is cut off. So cut off here means, a student, that it is switched off. This cut off is given by dV upon dt minus kV cube. Where k is a constant. Now, if V naught, let me erase this for you. Yes. So what is k? K is a constant, students. If V naught is magnitude of velocity at cutoff, find the magnitude so what happened to your G? Magnitude of velocity at a time t after the cutoff. So nothing special being asked. We have to find that what velocity it would have, the engine, when after the cutoff at time t. So let's see. Equation is being given to us. So let's see the solution. So what would be the solution, students? First we need to write what being given to us. Solution here, dV upon dt is equal to minus kV cube. Right, students? Now I will take V cube on this side and dt on this side, minus k dt. Right, students? And integrate from where to where? Time 0 to t, and this initial velocity V naught to V. Now integrate this. What we get? Minus 2V square. And this is what, students? So this is V velocity to V naught. Yes, student. And this is what? Minus KT. Right now, students? Definitely, sir. Even putting the limit now, no? So last time we were talking about this picking paper and pen and wisdom and everything. We want to continue on this path. So the thing about physics, learning physics, is that I consider physics a subject of wisdom. I will tell you why. Minus 2v square plus 1 by 2v naught square minus kt, and this is 0. Yes, you are saying right. So this becomes 2v minus, and this becomes what, students? 2v, sir, remove 2 now. Why you are putting 2? So 2 v square upon v square v naught square, and this is minus kt. So the equation of final becomes what? Minus v naught square plus v square minus kt v square v naught square. Right, students? Now take this on this side. So this becomes what? V square. Right, students? Yes, sir, definitely. And this becomes what? V not get into this side. This becomes v square. No, this will go into this side, no? Oh, yes. What you are saying is right. Minus v square, and this is minus kt v square v naught square minus, and this becomes what? Plus v naught square v naught square v naught square, and this becomes what? So I will take this into account. V square plus kt v square v naught square v naught square. Yes, sir, definitely. Now the next part becomes what, students? So little bit algebra, no, students? Yes, sir, definitely. So this becomes what? Now take v square common. V square being taken common, 1 plus kt v naught square. I missed one term here. That is why the problem with solution was coming in the step. That's okay sometimes. V naught square, and this is v square, and this is v naught under root 1 plus kt v naught square. So this is the answer of velocity, required velocity at time t. Okay, students, that is why the time being given as t. Now the next question. Sometimes it happens while talking, you sometimes eat up the step. So the next question. A point moves in a straight line. Point moves in a straight line. In a straight line. So that its displacement x meter at time t. At time what, student? T. Oh sir, how down you would go? At time t. So what I was talking about, student, this wisdom and learning physics I was talking about, no, physics I was talking about. So physics actually depends upon what? The prerequisite of physics is nothing but passion, perseverance and patience. Let me get back to on this. At time t seconds is given by x square 1 plus t square. Find its acceleration at time t second in meter per second square. Right, student? Oh, the board. So it is about the force. Yes, students. So where I was? Yes. The prerequisite of physics is passion, perseverance, and patience. If you have these things, you will learn physics. Now, what I was talking about, wisdom. So again, the board is rubbed, erased. I will back. Let me do the question for now. Then, solution. Here, x square is what being given, students? 1 plus t square, right, students? So x becomes what? 1 plus t square. 1 by 2. So the next part is what? Now differentiate it. Let me take 1 plus t square as u, and u 1 by 2 would be what? Y. So what should I write? dy. No, sir, x. Why you are putting y? X. Yes, you are right, student. Very good. X. Then this becomes dx upon dt, and this should be dx upon du upon dt. Right, student? What did this method is? Yes, rule of substitution. So now put into this method. So putting where it is. Yes, so this is 2t. So I would write 2t, and what is this, student? Dx upon du. So this is 1 under root 2u. Right now? Yes, sir, definitely. Then this becomes what? T 1 plus t square 1 by 2. Right, student? Yes, sir, definitely. Now what being asked? Acceleration is being asked. So we have found velocity. Now differentiate this also. d2 x d2. Then this becomes differentiation of this value. Right, student? Yes, sir, definitely. 1 plus t square 1 by 2. Right now, student? Yes, sir, definitely. Now I will do division method. When y is equal to u by v, u divided by v. I need to write the formula this time because it would be tough for you in the first hand. So dy by dx is what? V du x minus u dv by dx upon v square. Now put into this method. Then this becomes what, student? 1 plus t square 1 by 2. This is differentiated with t. This becomes 1. This is minus. Sorry, students. Minus t. And this is what? So this is 1 by 2, that 2 of minus, so this becomes plus. So this becomes 1 plus t square minus 3 by 2. Yes, sir, definitely. Minus 3 by, where should I write minus 3 by 2? So I would write here minus 3 by 2 in the power thing, na? So I am writing here minus 3 by 2, and this is what? So this is 2t. Yes, students, definitely. Minus 3 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. Yes, what you are saying is perfect. Minus 1 by 2, because minus 1 is being subtracted from half. So this becomes what, student? So you would tell us this becomes, and minus power, and this is, yes, No, this would remain plus. This would actually be this thing, yes. So why you ask this? 1 by 2 is positive, na? So the power is positive. So it has to become in this way and this becomes negative. Yes. So this becomes what? 1 plus t square and this is squared. So this becomes this thing only. Next part. So you see, even numbers, this is the problem that I got misplaced in numbers. So what I was talking about, yes, so you were talking about wisdom and everything. So how does physics being related to wisdom? You see, physics and wisdom have guided principles, guiding laws. Both of them have guiding laws. So actually, in some way or the other, they are related. 1 plus t square, this becomes minus t square. So be careful with the numbers this time. Minus t square, 1 plus t square minus 1 by 2. Yes, students, definitely I will be. 1 plus t square, this is yes, 1 plus t square. So the final equation of our becomes what? So this becomes 1 plus t square and this is half, sir. So this becomes 1 plus, oh my speed, 1 plus t square 1 by 2. Yes, sir, because half is being subtracted from here and it gets 1 by 2. So this becomes what, student? Minus t square, this becomes 1 plus t square 3 by 2. Everyone can solve powers, na? Definitely, sir. So this becomes 1 plus t square and this becomes half, and this is what, students? Minus t square, sir. And this is what? Yes, what you are saying is right. This is x value. This is x value and this is what? Cube. So this is also x value, no? Yes, student, very good. This is also x value. So what I should write? So you should write x. So the answer comes. X cube, 1 by x minus t square upon x cube. I am still having cough, so I don't know what's the problem with the cough. Question: How long will a body freely falling without any initial velocity, initial velocity past the nth centimeter? So where we were, student? Yes, sir, we were discussing about wisdom and everything. You don't leave the topic, no? Your favorite topic, physics and wisdom. Yes, student, it is my favorite. So initial velocity pass the nth centimeter of its path. So let's understand this question. It is beautiful question. So every question in one respect is beautiful. So let's understand it. A body, suppose it is a stone, it is falling here, it is suppose n centimeter, and here it is what, student? Yes sir, it is n minus 1 centimeter, sir, from here. Yes, very nice, students. So yes, this is from here. Okay, from here it is n minus 1, it is here n. Yes, so nth centimeter we need to find out that what will be the time period. You're right, no? Time we need to find. How long? Yes, how long? The time period we need to find. If initial velocity is 0. Now let's see the solution. So what is the free falling object velocity equation? Write the free falling equation. What it is? So it is minus h minus half gt square. So first write this thing. So this we have written. So this becomes h half gt square. This is the equation, and t general formula becomes 2gh. Right, student. Now at n centimeter, for n centimeter, let me see the language actually. I cannot write any language of my own. For n centimeter, for time n centimeter, for time n centimeter, what the height becomes, student? So it becomes, no sir, what are you writing? So this is t. Yes, time period is right, and this is, yes. So n centimeter is being tn, and this becomes, yes, 2g upon n. So I have situated h, instead of h I have placed n. So the next part, becomes what, students? Tn minus 1. So for time n minus 1 centimeter, what the equation becomes? This is height, no, student? Yes sir, we understood this thing. N minus 1. This becomes a 2 n minus 1. Oh yes, what you are saying is right. This is actually, I was thinking what is the mistake? 2n upon g, and this is 2n upon g. Yes. 2n upon g. So 2 goes here and g here, and this is n centimeter. H actually. So write h, and this is, yes. So 2n minus 1 upon g. So this becomes what? Tnth. Now this is being asked, no? So what should I write? Tn minus 1 would give me the actual nth centimeter. And this is what? So this is 2n upon g minus 2n minus 1 upon g, and this final equation becomes what, students? So certainly we don't know. Let me erase this. So what the equation is coming out to be, student? So Tnth, now this is becoming easy, sir. Tnth is becoming 2 upon g, and this is under root n minus 1 Yes, sir. This is perfect. This should be correct. Yes, students. This is correct. Now the next part. Next question. What the next question is? And today's last question. The VT graph for vertical component of velocity of an object thrown upward from ground. So the thing is that this is the last question of today, and I was actually not being able to publish due to some odd reasons, but from ground reaches at the bottom which is at the roof. Oh, sir, what are you writing? How did bottom come here? Which is at the roof. At the roof of a building. And I actually feel sorry for it that I was not able to publish for this time period. It is shown in figure. If the height of building where did the of building go? Height of building is h meter, find h by 5. So let me draw the VT graph. Right now, students? Yes, sir, definitely. We'll continue the wisdom part and physics part later. There's so much to tell, no? On both accounts. Find h by 5. Vy. This is happening. So this is what 4-second time period. This is x, and this is I believe this is 1. This is 2. This is not being given to us. This is 4. Here this is 4. This is being not given to us. So this is 0, and this is what, students? So this is, I believe, minus 10. Yes, sir, definitely minus 10. So let's understand the graph. What this is? 30. So initial velocity is 30 meter per second. Right, student? Now let's see how to solve this graph. Solution. Let's draw the figure. Here I am standing on the building. This is the building, This is me standing here, right student, and here you are standing on the ground and you throw the ball upward. It went up there and it came to me. So let's suppose this is what this is whole process took 4 seconds total time. So total time 4 seconds. Now let's suppose how to do this question. So very easy it is. How it is very easy? So you didn't notice, na? What student? It is a straight line. The whole graph is a straight line. So you should apply what? Similar triangle theorem. Yes, student, very nice, very nice. Here, using similar triangle theorem, triangles theorem, and what does the similar triangles theorem say? Side ratio should be equal. So 30 upon 10. Okay. So why you are not writing minus 10 here? Why you are not writing? So student, this is also negative, na? It is coming down. So that is why. Vy is actually both of them direction is downward. So this becomes what? Yes sir, we are getting this time period is this whole process took how much? 4, and this is 4 minus x. Yes sir, definitely. Oh sir, for x is this, na? X is this. So this should be 4 minus x. Yes, I didn't write this. Now it is perfect. X is this, and I instead of that I took this. Yes, x, and this is 4 minus x. So one would ask me, so what did you do here? So 30 is x. 30, it is here, x. It covers this. 30, and this is 4 minus x. Oh my god, what I'm doing. I'm writing inverse. I've written here something, and yes, 4 minus x, this is x. So here this triangle 30 and this triangle 10 base I have considered. So the next part 30 and this is 10. So divide now. Yes, so student 3x and this is 4 minus x. Yes. So this becomes what? 4x is equal to 4 and x value should be what? 1 second. Right students? Yes sir, definitely it is. Now the next part. So don't actually need to erase this part. Will not erase this, na? Throwing figure. So what this becomes? So it becomes actually 4, this is x 1 second and this is 4 minus x and this becomes 3 second. So 3 second is the time it reaches up there. Okay, up on the sky, and 1 second is the time period it goes to me. Okay, 10 meter per second. So what should I do for what I need to find out? And this I need to find out, yes, h by 5. So I need to find the height, displacement. Now what should be the height? So area should be the height. So area half gt2 minus half gt1 square. Right now students? So how come this? You can actually do area also and this also, this formula. So I have taken this formula into account. This is T2, 3 seconds, and this is 1 second. So T1 is 1 second. So this is the displacement it is having. height of building. So this is the height of building we get. H is equal to half 10 and 3 square minus half 10 and this is 1 square. Solve this, we get what, student? So you need to tell us this is 2, 5, 45 and this is minus 5, this becomes 40 meter. So height of building where I am standing is of the roof is 40 meter and h by 5. Required height is h by 5. Required height h by 5 and this comes out to be 8 meter. Right, students? Need to check the answer. Yes, students. So this was our lecture of today. Thank you, students.